Oh, that son of a bitch. Here's your salt, bitch!
You can't freeze me, you sprinkle piece of.
Here, take this.
Any last words?
You'll never catch me.
The following message is transmitted of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. This is a fire warning for the Hudson community between Winfield and Sykes in central Wynn Parish. A large wildfire has ignited near and east of Highway 34 near Booger Hollow Road, and is spreading east-northeast towards the town of Sykes. Residents of Brewer Road, J. White Road, J. Creel Road, Leach Road, Hurricane Grove Road, Rabbit Road, H. Buston Road, Roy James Road, J. D. Boyett Road, East Parker Road, Cleo Adams Road, Williams Road, Slaughter Road, L. Buston Road, Jim Gates Road, Hammonds Road, and Burnett Road are under a mandatory evacuation order.
Sprinkled salt all over the city, and you'll never be able to avoid it this time. Prepare to be frozen right this instant.
Now I'm completely doomed. Guess I'll have no choice but to be frozen into an ice cube.